So we are Team 8 and we are here to show our final project. And our project is a restaurant API. And to start, we're gonna show the render. And here's our environment variables, all the ones we are using for the Mongo database and the authentication on GitHub. We are using the Swagger, and here's the URL as we can access. The Swagger is organized by the endpoints. We have the clients, staff, restaurants, menus, and orders. Okay, here's our database. So our database have 5 collections, and one, they ask that at least one had 7 fields or more. We have restaurants and staff that have 7 fields or more. And so now I'll show how the authentication and test our endpoints in Swagger. So here, when we here we are log out, and if we go back to the Swagger, we won't be able to do any posts or updates or deletes. So here to show, I will do a post. And as we can see, we don't have access because we are not logged in. But we can do the get and get by ID without being logged in. So this works. And when we log in, we use this to log in here. So we are logging in now. And when we go back to the Swagger, then we can do the post, update, and delete. Now we have a success message, and if we go to the database, we have it updated on orders. Here's our order edit, and update. Change the table for 10, and the date, December. And then to do it, we see that here was updated. And we also have the delete. We can see the changes on the database. So that field was deleted. And in this request, we have an extra one when we can see the orders by the client name. So if we search the orders of John Smith, we get 2 orders. And if we see here, we have 1, 2 orders. So we get all of that. Yes. Um, we also have the validation. So if we try post anything with our field, give us an error message. And says that the phone number is required. Um, the um, the error handling we are using one in the server that it's this to cut all errors, and we're also using on the endpoints we're using try and catch and if statements. And we also, so the last thing I'm gonna show is the tests. And we have the test for all our routes and for the Mongo connection, Mongo database. We have all the tests passing. And what we do in the tests is that we are checking the connection and if the response um, is like the expected by the database. And that's our project. And thank you for watching.